Hello students, in this video we are going to study one example based on Newton's method. So without wasting the time, let us go towards example. So read the question carefully. Question is as follow. Equation e raised to x minus 1 is equal to 0 is required to be solved using Newton's method with an initial guess x0 is equal to minus 1. Then after one step of Newton's method, estimate x1 of the solution will be given by, and four options are given, and these four options are values of x1, that is estimate x1 by using Newton's method for the equation e raised to x minus 1 is equal to 0 by considering initial guess as x0 is equal to minus 1. So to solve this example you should know about Newton Raphson method and its formula. So let us solve that example. For that purpose I am using board. See what the equation given here. Equation is e raised to x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation. First of all, let us revise the concept of Newton Raphson method. So here Newton Raphson method is used to solve any equation, non-linear equation. These will be linear, non-linear equations, okay. To find root of non-linear equations we are using Newton Raphson method, and for Newton Raphson method one initial guess is required, it is denoted by x0. We are just revising the formula. I am not going in detail that because due to if I will explain all that theory part in that video it will become lengthy, so I am just revising the formula. So if x0 is initial guess, then first iteration is given by, x1 is equal to x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash of x0. By using that formula you can estimate value of x1. x1 is first iteration. After second iteration you will get next approximation for the root. So for second iteration formula is second iteration. As in that example we have do calculation up to first iteration only, but you should know about second, third and fourth in general formula. x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1, okay, and so on. In general you can write n plus 1th iteration. For n plus 1th iteration is given as xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. So remind that formulas. These are formulas regarding Newton Raphson method. So first of all what we will do, we will write out our equation, what equation is given, then we will write initial guess, then we will find values of derivative also, because see the formula, in the formula we have to use derivative value f dash of x0 at point x0, that is derivative at point x0. So let us start our example. That was the revision. So question was e raised to x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation. So what is fx? Fx will be e raised to x minus 1. Here note that RHS will be equal to 0, then LHS will be f of x. If RHS is non-zero, then first of all shift that non-zero term to LHS, and after that equate LHS as f of x. This is f of x. Now find derivative f dash of x. So derivative of e raised to x will be e raised to x, and derivative of minus 1, that is 0. So I am ignoring that term. So this is f of x, f dash of x. Now what is initial guess? Guess is also given. Initial guess x0 is equal to minus 1. So now use Newton Raphson method. By Newton Raphson method by Newton Raphson method. First iteration is given by what is first iteration now? x1 is equal to x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash of x0. This is formula. Now use values of f of x0 and f dash of x0. Here f of x given, from that calculate f of x0. What is x0 here? See, x0 is minus 1. So first of all I will substitute x0 as minus 1. Then what the term will reduce to? x0 instead of x0, sorry, I am writing here minus 1 minus f of minus 1 divided by f dash of minus 1. Here no need to write bracket. What is LHS? LHS is x1. So now we want these two values, f of minus 1 and f dash of minus 1. So I will give some equation number 2. If I have not given any equation number, I will check. No, I have not given any equation number, so it's okay. I can write here equation number 1 also. Now find out value of f of minus 1. Here from fx you can easily find f of minus 1 as e raised to minus 1 minus 1, because instead of x we have to put minus 1, and f dash of minus 1 will be e raised to minus 1. Now if you have calculator, then you can use calc and find out value of e raised to minus 1 here, and also e raised to minus 1 by using calculator, and then put in following formula. So I am directly using that values, f of minus 1 and f dash of minus 1. Okay, just I will find out that value. Use 100 ms calc. Now see, your example has 4 options and every option has 5 decimal places. See, 0.71828, 0.36784 means every option there are 5 decimal digits in every option. So while using calculator, fix your calc to 5 decimal places to avoid extra calculations. See, I am going to calculate value of e raised to minus 1 using calculator. I am using application. So e raised to shift e raised to minus 1. It takes the value 0.367879441117. All that digits are not necessary for our calculations. So I have given you advice to fix your calc to 5 decimal places, sorry. But here, as I am using a mobile application, for that scientific calc using mobile application, there is no option of fixing the decimal digits, so I am manually taking 6 decimal digits. That's why I will get correct answer 0.367879. Value of e raised to minus 1, 0.367879, and e raised to minus 1 we want. So I am again here changing the term. Oh, that is wrong. E raised to minus 1, it will take the value minus 0.632120, minus 0.632120. Now we have find out values of f of minus 1 and f dash of minus 1. Now substitute both the values in the formula. Minus 1 minus, what is f of 1? F of 1 is, see here, this is f of 1, 0.632120. Sign is minus. Minus 0.632120. And in denominator 0.367879. 0.367879. Now again use the calculator and calculate this value. See, this minus sign and this minus sign, minus minus will become plus. So minus 1 plus 0.632120 divided by 0.367879. Now use that calculation, find out that value by using calculator. Minus 1 plus in bracket what is the numerator? 0.632120. 0.632120 divided by 0.367879. 0.367879 bracket complete. So its answer is 0.718282. 0.718282. What is LHS? X1 is equal to 718282. See, this is value of x1 after first iteration. And let us go towards example and see the option. Option number 1 contains the same solution, 0.71828. This is your required solution. But one note is that read the question, always read the question carefully what you have asked. Here for that particular example you have to estimate x1 after one and also written then after one step of Newton's method, means we have to put give output of first iteration, that is x1. In some cases you are asked to estimate value of x2, means output after second iteration. X3 will be output after third iteration. So read the question carefully, then otherwise you will use method correctly but you will write value of wrong iteration. Okay, that will not give you correct solution. So if anyone have doubt, you can message me, or if you want such types of video you can message in chat box. Thanks.